Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Realme 9 Pro Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So at the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so just find it and install. Then open. Click agree. Here you need to choose your favorite applications, and great. As you can see, here we have really simple design piece without denying features. As you can see, here we have our favorite apps. Here we can set up our hints. We can set our Niagara Launcher as default launcher. And great, so what we have see here, of course you can set up it, app list, so we can hide unused apps from our apps menu. We can effectively use our messages, so you can enable this feature, our communications, go back, and great, so hide unused apps. For example, Google. I don't know. Maybe no, not valid. Google Play Movies, Booking, body temperature. Okay. So, and great. As you can see here, we have no inline features. We have only our favorite apps here and apps menu here. If you want to find any application, just tap your finger on this alphabetical line and drag it to desired later. For example, if you want to find Play Store, just drag your finger to the P button and here you will see Play Store. It's too easy to use, it's very simple and it's very fast. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So just find it, Smart Launcher 6. Click install. Open it, click get started, I agree, confirm, continue. While using allow. You can use suggested wallpapers. You can pay for premium, but you can use it for free. Okay, so here we have a really beautiful interface. As you can see, here we have really beautiful icons, really beautiful wallpapers and widgets. Here we have news. Here we have our applications menu, but with really helpful and with really useful app grouping features. So as you can see here, I have several groups. I have contacts, I have internet, I have games, I have media, I have utilities and settings. And here I can set up my menu, I can set up my folders, and of course I have a sort by alphabet. And if I want to find any application, I can use this search to find, for example, Play Store. Okay, and on the first place in my tab is Launcher Launcher. So just find it, Launcher 2 Launcher. Click and find it, but so just open it and always allow, create allow, and as you can see, okay, it works. Okay, it works great. So now just open settings. We can set up this launcher as default with launcher interface. So we need to open settings, open apps, then choose default apps, find your home app and not Smart Launcher but Launcher. Great, but it's not all. Why I love this launcher? Of course, because it's very simple. It's just simple Android launcher. It's simpler than Realme UI launcher, and it will not load your system. But of course, you can set up this launcher. You can set up desktop theme, drawer, DAC, plugins, gestures, and all. You can set up everything here. But why I really love this launcher? Because this launcher supports every popular icon packs. For example, I love icon pack viral. I really love this icon pack. I really love every icon this icon pack provides. So just find it and install. Click open below and just click apply to home. And great, as you can see, now we have really beautiful interface. We have really beautiful wallpapers, we have really beautiful widgets. We can set up everything here. We can use Realme standard features as this floating menu. We can use all here, but with really beautiful icons, with really flexible interface. For example, we can set up our drawer. We can hide apps in drawer. We can set up multi-line labels. We can set up text color, shortcut bubble, and other settings. So as you can see, we can set up everything here, and we can make our launcher really beautiful. So I love this launcher. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.